Hello, my name is Nick Sanitas and I'm a Comtech trainer, and this is the training room where we actually do all our endorsements, which is our structured cabling endorsement, coax cabling endorsement and optic fibres. This is our training room number 1 where we conduct our open cabling registration for all the students who wish to get an ACMA license in order to do their ELV cabling. So what we have here is we have our workstations for every student, and this is where effectively they will be doing all their cabling parts that they know about from the exam and from the webinars. This is where we put it all into practice so that they can actually test and see how it all works. This is our training room number 3, and it's in this room here that we do all our technical training related to IT, and this is where we connect with our routers, our WAPs, and our switches, and this is where students apply all the theory that they have gained through the webinars and through their readings, doing their exams. So we connect our cables and our equipment up, and this is where they actually can ensure that what they've learned is actually working. This classroom here, which is classroom number 4, is where the students come in to do their alarm and security wiring course. So everything that they've learned during the webinar and during their readings and during the exams, this is where they apply all their theoretical knowledge, and they actually wire all the devices up, keypads, alarms, sensors, and they make it work.